Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So if you've been thinking about getting touch-up paint pens, I want to answer some questions to help your buying decision. These refillable touch-up paint pens are the best things I've found. They're amazing to have on hand. If you've ever stared at that tiny wall ding and said, oh, I'll get to that later, this invention is definitely going to make you happy. This touch-up paint pen takes your actual wall paint and turns it into this super convenient, mess-free repair tool. You don't have to drag out the paint cans to deal with every time and crusty paint brushes. You just load this pen with your leftover latex paint for perfect matching. So the instructions are very easy. So you just use the included syringe and fill your paint. Now this is leftover house paint that we had. So I'm just dipping it in the paint and filling the syringe. Pretty simple. And then you just take the paint pen and put it in there as much as you need. And then you take the brush tip. You just snap your brush tip on there nice and tight. And then just have to twist the bottom to force the paint into the brush. And then you see it's ready to paint. This pen is so easy to fill and use. And then you see this little ding mark right here. We're just going to lightly paint it. Then once you're done, all you have to do is rinse your brush in some soapy water, which is what I have here. Get the excess paint off. I'm going to use a napkin to dry off the excess moisture. And then it comes with these sealable caps that keep it airtight. So it's great for storage for the next time you see that ding and you want to get it taken care of. These things work great. We love them.